you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today, I want to have a bit of a chat with you. I want to have a bit of a chat with you about luxury. Is it for everyone? Can it be democratised? Does everyone deserve a bit of luxury in their life? Discuss. Oh, and there is a beautiful, exciting little reveal. So yes, I want this to be a discussion. I want to see lots of activity down in the comments section. I want to get everyone's point of view, because this is something that I've thought about a lot over time, not least after I did my luxury versus contemporary video collaboration with Autumn Beckman. But luxury, what is it? What is it to start off with? Well, to me, luxury is something you don't need, right? So anything you don't need that you have or you want is luxury. It is a luxury. We all need a bag to carry our bits and pieces around in, our lippies, our keys, our wallets and everything. We all need that. But we could all survive with a £5 bag from $5 bag from Walmart, from Asda, from wherever you pick up a cheap and cheerful bag. That'll do the job. What we are interested in is something more than that, something than just the basics. So we want luxury, and whether that be a quality piece or because of the name or whatever, we just want more, right? Now, I've mentioned handbags there, but it could mean a number of different things to a number of different people. Luxury could be going to Starbucks and getting your coffee from Starbucks instead of making it at home. That's a luxury. It is a luxury. To someone, it could be the car they drive. They don't care about anything else. It could just be about the car. For others, it might be fine jewellery and diamonds and things. And for some of us, it's pretty much everything. I say in my little tag, I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and I mean it. I don't show luxury in all of its glorious forms on my channel because it's mostly centered around handbags and a little bit of fashion here and there, but I really do prefer to live the luxury lifestyle. And for me, that isn't living in a big mansion or anything like that. It is going to fine dining restaurants, drinking really good wine and champagne and stuff like that. It is, for me, it's always, luxury has always been quality. Now, we pay a lot for some of our quality pieces, and for some of those high-end luxury brands, the quality isn't so good anymore. But it comes at a price, and that price can make it very difficult to take risks. We tend to stay inside of our comfort zones. We tend to try and aim for things like classics that we know we can wear forever and that we'll be able to sell on again in 10 years' time when we're tired of it and everything. But what if there was a way to get that luxury, that quality, that design, that style in a handbag, but at a not high-end luxury price, at a more affordable price? And this is where I want to say hello and a big thank you to Teddy Blake, who reached out to me a few months ago now and said, "We love your channel, we love your vibe. We would like to send you a bag to try, and we would like you to tell your viewers, your subscribers, about that bag." Now, to be fair, I didn't see the email for a while, so I didn't get back to them for a while, and then we had a bit of a discussion back and forth and everything as we were having a chat about it, because I wanted to do my homework on Teddy Blake before saying yes. And I do this with every offer that gets sent to me. And there are a lot I don't go for, But Teddy Blake, I loved what they were saying on the website. I loved the styles of the bags, and it afforded me the opportunity to try something new, something different. And I'm going to go back for more. I'm going to tell you that right now. I am going back for more. So let me just read you a little bit from the Teddy Blake website while I share with you the unboxing experience. Teddy Blake offered me the choice of any bag from their website, and I went through that website with a fine-tooth comb, I can tell you, and I landed on this. This is the Ava Gold 9-inch in turquoise, and this is a beautiful bag. The detail on it is absolutely fantastic. You've got Teddy Blake stamped into the hardware for the D-rings for the crossbody, removable crossbody strap. Teddy Blake stamped on the front and back of the bag. It has got your basic human rights. It's got a zip-up pocket at the back. It's got feet, and it's got a lovely little cloche and padlock that is also removable. It is absolutely gorgeous. The quality and the detail on this thing is fabulous. It is a flap bag with a top handle. There is no wonky flap here. This flap is dead straight. It is cut beautifully. The glazing is fabulous. The colour saturation is utterly ridiculous. We'll come back to the colour in a minute. It's made in Italy from soft pebbled calfskin leather with matching trim, and the interior is suede. It is absolutely amazing. The quality of this bag is fantastic. All Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelletteries. I hope I've pronounced that correctly, pelletteries. Dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain a luxurious look. Following the knowledge gathered from decades of experience in luxury leather, our experienced craftsmen will turn a Teddy Blake bag into a work of art. Is it impossible to democratise luxury? No, Teddy Blake doesn't think so. Teddy Blake makes it possible by offering designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high-end luxury houses and removing the $1,000 to $2,000 added to the handbag cost just for the label. With Teddy Blake, you enjoy luxury at a fair price always. And having experienced Teddy Blake and having experienced this bag, because I've had this for about 3 weeks, I've used it a lot, I've taken it to work, I will show you a cutaway of what I actually managed to fit in this 9-inch bag at work. And then when I went back to work last week, I knew I had a meeting that I have to take in a private room on a phone. So I took my selfie stick and I thought, no, that's not going to fit in there. And it fitted in here. So I'm going to the cutaway now and you can see everything that I put in there. I have got to tell you that the smell of the leather is just absolutely fabulous. Now, it does come with this padlock and this cloche, and it is very cute, and I do love it, but to be honest, I find that I prefer the look of the bag actually without it. It's there if you want to use it. I'm thinking about putting it on a different bag. I'm also thinking about buying another Teddy Blake bag, and I think I might pop it on that. So the risk I took with this was firstly saying yes, I would love to work with you, and trying out the bag, and that was a good decision as far as I'm concerned. It was a fabulous decision, and thank you again, Teddy Blake, for reaching out to me. But also the colour, because you won't see anything this colour in my collection, because this is a colour that I am utterly drawn to. This is turquoise. It may not show up particularly clearly on video here. I have found it very difficult to capture the colour, and by the way, the colour saturation, I may have already mentioned it, but it is utterly exquisite. It is so rich, it is ridiculous. But this is a colour that I'm drawn to, turquoise and teal. I've got a silk scrunchie in a very similar colour, but it is a very difficult colour to capture. So I got out my Bottega Veneta. This is more of a sky blue, and hopefully you'll be able to see the difference there in the shades of blue. So it's not a true blue, but it is the colour of my silk headboard on my bed. My entire bed is covered in this colour silk, and we have a leather sofa downstairs in this colour as well. I absolutely love this colour. I don't know if I can wear this colour against my skin. It feels like it doesn't work particularly well with my yellow undertones, but as a bag to carry, and I thought I was going to have to wear it with just plain things like my black and white outfits, very monochrome, very monotone colours, white shirt, black trousers, something like that. Oh, but no. Where is it? Oh, it's inside because I'm using it. I'm using it today. I was inspired by my Gucci chartreuse Gucci sunglasses case. Look at those colours together. Look at them together. Utterly fabulous. Utterly fabulous. I've got a shirt in this colour, and I have, like I said, I've used this a lot. So I've managed to take a few outfits of the day shots, which I will include here as well, so you can see it out in action. And oh my god, I thought I was going to have to go plain against this colour, but bam! Look at it! Just look at it. It's fabulous. Utterly fabulous. There were a couple of other colours that, look, there we go. She's all loaded up, ready to go. There were a couple of other colours in this particular style that I liked. There is a fuchsia pink, which you may think, Gwenny, why didn't you go for the fuchsia pink? Well, because I was feeling frisky and I wanted to take a little risky, and I did, and I'm really happy that I did. That said, that fuchsia is pretty fabulous, and I might have to go back for the fuchsia. But there's also a light yellow, but it looks really kind of neon on the website. This is quite a true to colour match to what the website showed, so I would feel confident in whichever colour I chose, it would show up and it would actually reflect that colour. Teddy Blake does have a sale on at the moment. This bag was list price at $740. It is reduced now to $439. So there is the potential there for massive savings. I have a link down below. I want you to go and check out the Teddy Blake website. I also have a code because I asked Teddy Blake, do you have a code? Could I offer my guys a code, my viewers a code please? And they said, all right then, here you go, here's your code. The sale is on. You can get up to 60% off what's there already, but if you use my code as well, TBGwenny30, you get an extra $30. Now get down there, click that link, go and have a look at the website, see what styles there are available at the moment. If there aren't the styles you like right now or the colours you like right now, they are dropping new things every month. So go back in a month and have another look. So it is possible for everyone to have just a little bit of luxury in their lives. And that makes me very happy indeed, because we deserve it. Yes, we do. We deserve a little bit of luxury in our lives. Right, now I have to go and find my sunglasses, because they're downstairs somewhere, and pop them in here. Oh, and I did want to say, actually, you will have seen in the cutaway, I am even happy to put my Gucci sunglasses in their soft case, in this bag because I know the structure is good enough that it's not going to get damaged or anything like that. So I can just drop them in on top and they're not going to get squished or crushed, damaged, broken, smashed or anything. The Lion will tell you I have used this loads since I've had it. Absolutely loads. Thank you once again, Teddy Blake, for reaching out to me. I do hope you feel inspired to go and check out the Teddy Blake website and see what's there for you. I am. And I may even use my own code if I can get away with it for an extra 30 bucks off. I am now going to go and find my Gucci sunnies because they're downstairs somewhere, so I can pop them in my bag and go to our niece's 8th birthday party. Mr. Party Dino is coming with us, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!